Arkle Review 2025. Is it the right VoIP phone system for your business? For businesses relying on calls, having a reliable VoIP system is crucial. Arkle promises cloud-based phone services with advanced features, but is it right for you in 2025? Arkle provides call routing, IVR, analytics, and CRM integration. Most people get this wrong. They assume all VoIP systems are the same, but Arkle focuses on sales and support workflows, making teams more efficient. You won't believe what happens. Next, you can set up shared phone lines, assign calls to team members automatically, and track performance metrics in real time. The platform also offers click-to-dial, call recording, and integration with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zendesk. Mobile and desktop apps allow teams to handle calls from anywhere, which is critical for remote work. Pricing is subscription-based, with tiers depending on users and features. While it may be more expensive than basic VoIP, the added functionality and analytics justify the cost for growing businesses. So, is Arkle right for your business? If you need scalable call management, detailed analytics, and seamless CRM integration, yes. For very small teams with basic needs, simpler VoIP systems may suffice. The surprising truth is that investing in the right VoIP system doesn't just improve communication, it can boost productivity, enhance customer service, and even increase sales.